1 John 3:4 is pretty straightforward. The only real thing you need to figure out is what is the subject of the verb poie. Pas hapoion, tein hamartian, kai, tein anamian poie. Kai, he hamartia, estin he anamia. Start with this indefinite construction. Everyone who does sin, and this is that situation where you initially say and, but that doesn't fit anything, so it must be an also. Also does lawlessness. This alpha is called an alpha privative. If you want to negate a Greek word, you put an alpha in front of it, kind of like we say un or ear in English. So namos is law, so the negated form is lawlessness. So everyone who does sin also does lawlessness. And in this particular case, you have an article with this word and this word, and normally that's the clue as to what the subject and what the predicate is. Here you can't really tell, and it really doesn't matter. So it's either sin is lawlessness or lawlessness is sin. So what's the subject of the verb poie? Well, it's this whole phrase. Everyone doing sin also does lawlessness. Phrasing is pretty straightforward now that we know what the subject is, and so we get that kai on its own line, and I'm going to put the verb on its own line. Punctuation, so certainly a new line. Kai is just a regular conjunction, so it's going to go something like that. Let's get this verb out where we can really see it. Something along those lines. If you want to draw your arrows, you can do something like that if you want. And we'll put the direct object out here. This kai is just a regular conjunction, so we'll do that. And that's pretty straightforward.